Good night.
Right, so last week I start working with a new patient,
Yeah.
and at exact 3 o'clock every morning, you hearing like somebody walking through the house.
He's an old
Alright,
patient.
it's just me and the patient in the house. He ain't got no family nor nothing, so living with he. So the other night I doze off, and I bung up, and it smelled like, like when somebody burning stuff.
Yeah.
The whole place smelled like smoke. So I going around, make sure nothing ain't happen. I said to myself, it's probably just a dream. So about 5 o'clock now, I went and doors back off. Same thing happened again. Then I hear boom, boom, boom up on the front door. I checked the camera, nobody ain't outside.
And then what? And then
I
what?
ain't got work. I didn't hear you.
And then what happened after that?
Nothing that happened after that. I ain't open up the house not until the other nurse come. I turn on all the lights. I make sure all the doors and windows locked.
Duppy always follow them old people, the girl.
Look like he getting ready to go to. No, I say he looked like he getting ready to go. And they say that when they're going, the family is come for them.
Yeah, them always hear that as well. Them family member, them always come for them, but beat up on the door, so I demand that. Somebody say I'm wife, they use a 5, 6, 7, 100,000 number.
The nurse that I come and find there was telling me the same thing. She said the same thing that's happening in the daytime. Where at exact 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you can hear somebody in the house walking around.
Why? Him so gone then for sure. But sorry, so once you hear the boom 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 they on the door, what you do?
I checked the camera.
Yeah, but
No,
how
no, no,
you
no.
feel?
I ain't tell you no lie. I was so frightened. But the house locked up, so nobody can get in unless I let them in.
Why? No, sir. That make me afraid. More afraid to go back.
I ain't got work there this week, so I wait to see what happened to him. Because when I left, he was taking a turn for the worse.
Oh my God. Gladness. So after I'm passed off, you're gonna get one different patient, right? Okay. But sorry, say him live long, my old somebody, but just can't dopey follow old people.
He's 91.
Him live long though. Dopey follow old people. Him follow
And his
them.
grandniece was telling me that his wife had died in the house. Two of their children died in the house, and one a distant relative died in the house.
What kind of dopey house that? You try or borrow out of this thing. Across his house that a be a demon in that. Everybody just a dead in the house, so something wrong. Something is wrong in that
And
house.
then when you don't hear nothing, it feel like somebody watching you, even though you in there by yourself.
Yeah, them always do that. Them always a watch people. I feel
I
somebody
just
watch me this
ignore
morning.
them in there for me.
Them
I
love
just
you. Them we still feed off of your energy. You have to run them, crosses them, dirty demons them.
alright, because I going back and do my work. I love your page very much and
Thank
enjoy
you.
the rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.